Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of one more beautiful designing, complete overall designing on this blouse because the saree and blouse is very simple. So an overall designing of this blouse will really gives the stunning and stylish appeal. So without wasting much time, let's quickly start with the designing. I'd be using here the circular shape to mark it on the neckline like this, maintaining the equal gaps. We have to give the markings of this circular shape. So on the complete neckline here I'd be marking 5 circles like this, the center one followed with 2 on either sides like this. We have to give the markings. Next to that we have to give the curve shape markings. As I have maintained the equal distance, we'll get the same, but if you are not comfortable, mark it on the paper, then transform it on the blouse using the carbon paper or any tracing paper. This is how we have to give the curves markings, and to the ends of the curves markings I'll be giving the dots of flower shape like this. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Followed with on these curves I'd be marking the leaf shape, maintaining the equal gaps. This is so simple and yet looks gorgeous with the extraordinary designing. As I said before itself, overall designing on the blouse. So the neckline will be completely highlighted with this design. Also on the sleeves openings. And now I'd be giving the inner circle markings, something like this. This is also, you can take any circular shape and mark it, or else you can directly mark it like this. Now I'll be giving the same circular markings on the sleeve openings also, unfolding it like this. Exactly in the center I'll be marking the circular shape. Placing it, the circle shape should be on both the sides of the sleeve from the center line. This is how we have to give the markings, and also the inner circle. Next to this I'll be marking 2 curve shapes as I have shown on the neckline. Here I'd be using Apsara glass marker pencil of white color, which is also available in yellow and red colors. I would suggest use an invisible marker so that the lines markings will not visible once the designing is done. Now I'll be using here the scale, and it will be the cross lines of 1 centimeter gap between each cross checks boxes. I'll be continuing this on the sleeve, also on the blouse. I think this is clear to you all. Because the pattern is overall designing, we have to give the markings like this so that it will give the nicer finishings, will not look odd once we give the continuation on the sleeves along with the blouse. This is how we have to give the markings. I'll be maintaining here almost 1 centimeter gap. These gaps also you can maintain as per your requirement. Heavy designing on the neckline and simple designing with the cross checks pattern of 1 centimeter cross square checks boxes. This is how on the sleeve, also on the blouse, we have to continue giving the lines markings. The same way I'll give the opposite lines markings to get the checks lines. So like this, equal distance we have to maintain the gaps on these lines. And this is how we have to give the complete markings on the blouse, both sides, and the overall designing pattern of the markings is done. So friends, that's all for now. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts relating to this video, you can write to me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, friends. The concluding part of this designing will be followed next. Meet you all in the next video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more. Thank you so much for watching, friends.